Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Rest Life. So the plan today is to get the gearbox out, and I've been planning it for a while, but I haven't gotten to it. I was just being super lazy. So up until now, the other day, like probably, how can I say that, Wednesday, I saw this Toyota versus 100 km on the 1st of March. So now I'm gonna direct to push. I'm gonna direct to get the gearbox done by Wednesday, which I highly doubt. But if I can get the gearbox sorted really quick, then I should be ready to go. So yeah, it's Friday today. I'm gonna get the box out. Hopefully I can get it out because yeah, I'm kind of pressed for time today. I have work soon. So I'm trying to get this out real quick. If I can, 100%. Then we can send the box out to have it repaired. According to the previous owner, well, not previous owner, the guy who actually, like, way before the previous owner, it's the same gearbox apparently or something like that. I don't know. But I got in contact with him and he said he always had issue with third gear as well. The synchro used to break. So I'm assuming it's a synchro because I'm having similar issues. I sometimes get third or whatever, so it's not syncing the speed of the gears for me to get third easily and comfortably. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get this out. If we can get it to a gearbox place today still, hopefully we can get it in the week. Hopefully by like Tuesday. If so, then we win the World Cup. If not, at least we know we're still on the right track getting the gearbox sorted, because that's one of my main issues now. And then also, the exhaust started blowing. So I'm going to sort that out. Yeah, so at the end of all of this, we're going to have to do a tune also. But yeah, we'll see. Let's first get the box up.
Yo, Steve, man, play me that beat.
Now I need to get this hub off. Loosen the shock strap. And the shaft is already loose. It falls off. And you should be halfway there. Okay, so I managed to get the one shaft out. That is just remove the nut on the shaft and loosen the hub from the strap mount. And yeah, just pull it apart. You have to loosen this one part on the brake caliper, that's the part clear, come out. So yeah, that's from here. Let's get the next shaft out. And then yeah, it's removing the shafts in the box just comes right out. Hopefully I can get this done real quick. I've been circling now and this is a good hour and a half already, I'm busy. But for you guys, it's only been like what, 2 or 3 minutes. Out. You can actually drop the box just like there's all the shafts in. But I'm thinking maybe I just take it out because it's gonna have to come out anyway. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see what I decide. Yeah, now I need to work from the bottom, get the cross member off, and just loosen around the box, and then it should come right out. Now to get the cross member off. There's 2 nuts in front and there's 2 at the back also. This also mounts to the gearbox mounting. You see there's one gearbox mounting here, and it mounts to the other gearbox mounting at the back. So how do you get this out? It's literally just the bolts on the box, and and the bolts on the mounting on top there. Then I hope you guys can hear me. I know camera is having idling here. But yeah, let's get to it. Yay! Camera backfire. Now just to get the gearbox mounting off. See. Woo. Okay. Now I move on to the back mounting, which is this one over here. So you can see it. Side mounting over there. So gotta get that one out, and then cross members out. We can loosen the box, and the box will come right out. While still bolts holding the cross member, then we should have full access to the gearbox. Yep. One more. There you go. See, like I said, it has both mounts on. There's the rear gearbox mounting. There's the front gearbox mounting. So yeah, now we have full access to the gearbox. Complete access. Now just to loosen the one mounting on top, and then the bolts around the box should come right off. Yeah, okay, so now that we've got some clearance here, I'm gonna remove this shaft. Apparently it's just a cup, so it should just come right out. So pry it. Otherwise I must make cup with it. Oh! Is that gearbox oil? That's dripping. Oh! Is that gearbox oil? Oh shit! Definitely gearbox oil. There you go. Completely out. Woo. There you go. Okay, so I've removed lots of things on top of the gearbox as well, like the cylinder over here, and then all the cables at the back there is mounted to the bracket. The speedo cable is taken out as well on the box. Those are all the things that are attached to the gearbox. So yeah, everything is out. It's literally just for me to loosen the mounting bolts on the side here and to take out this gearbox mounting. Then the box will come out completely. But I have run out of time. I need to go to work. So we'll have to continue this video I don't know, maybe tonight I'll like trip and just take it out, or definitely tomorrow morning, because we need to find a place to send this box to. But yeah, to be prepared for Toyota versus Honda. I hope I can get it anytime. I would love to go with the Toyota, of course. I had my fun with the Polo now. It's my daily. I don't want to ruin it. Got some, felt the gearbox felt a bit sticky after the last time I said Killarney. So yeah, I need to bounce now, but everything is done. It's just for me to loosen. There's like 2 bolts left and the starter and the one mounting that must still come off. Then it's out. But yeah, we have to stop the video here for today. But we'll definitely continue tomorrow. Probably have another upload tomorrow as well. Can't say what time, but it'll definitely happen tomorrow. So yeah, part 1 of getting ready for Toyota versus Honda at Killarney next week. Next week Wednesday. Fuck. I think I'm gonna make it. But yeah, peace out.